Welcome to Hong Kong Disneyland! The entrance!
Good morning guys! So this is our day 2 itinerary here in Hong Kong. So andito kami sa Hong Kong Disneyland and 9 AM in the morning pa lang. Ganto na karami yung mga tao, so hindi rin kami nagpapahuli makipagsiksikan at makipaghabulan. Ayan, this is the entrance. Papasok sa loob ng Disneyland and ito yung makikita mo, the Mickey Mouse Fountain, and yung picture agad kami. And naglakad-lakad na rin ako for the charlangs. Charot. So nag-explore pa kami ng bongga guys. Tinuloy-tuloy lang namin yung lakad namin. Sobrang daming tao dito from iba't ibang countries. First namin pinuntahan is yung Tomorrowland and naisipan na din naming mag-rides.
Hi! Magsakay mig space! Mountain! Babata!
So ayan, excited nang papasok sa loob guys kung anong meron. And dito masusubukan yung tapang namin, kung kaya ba namin, kung kaya ba ng powers namin yung mga pakilig dito. Chars! So ayan, ready at excited na ako. Ready to ride na. So after the trial guys, ito yung mga reactions namin. But actually, umulit-ulit kami. So for our second try.
Gusto pa niya. Pasabi ang matiyag. Ako mauriyan. Oh, yalipong ako. That's nice.
So this is our faces in the galaxy during our rides. So next namin pinuntahan is the Ant-Man and the Wasp Nano Battle guys. So dito the rule is dapat makatama ka dahil pag hindi ka makakalabas. Charing! But actually mag-isa lang ako guys dahil hindi mo ako sinamahan. Charing lang! Ayan, enjoy naman ako at kailangan kong mag-concentrate para makatama, para makalabas dahil yun ang rules! And that was fun guys. Sobrang saya. Kahit mag-isa lang ako. And this is the exit. You can actually buy souvenirs. Next is dumiretso kami sa the Iron Man experience. So dito, we are wearing 3D eyeglasses. So yun. So yan, magsa-start na. And to appreciate the ganap moments, here's the pictures. Siyempre, in-experience din namin yung It's a Small World after all. So, dito, may kanya-kanyang version ng It's a Small World after all from different countries. And siyempre, meron din ang Philippines, right? Papahuli ba naman tayo? Of course, hindi. At siyempre, nagutom kami, diba? Tao lang naman kami. Ayan, kumain kami ng Mickey Mouse pizza. Pak!
Hey guys! Another ride for today.
Kami talaga yung walang inuurungan. The Super Trio. Pakak!
That's our ride.
Ano, susubok pa? Enjoy watching guys. Sobrang nakaka-amaze. Grabe! So yeah, this is Mystic Manor, guys. So alive na alive pa rin yung Power Trio, guys. And now, susubukin naman namin ang aming tapang sa pag-roller coaster. Ayan, so as usual, ako lang mag-isa and wala akong katabi dahil hindi mo nga ako sinamahan. Ayan. Ayan na! Woo! Dito lang ako nakapag-relax. Charot! Bored na bored talaga ako. Hindi ako nag-enjoy dito, guys. Ba't nag-enjoy ako sa background music ko?
My hair.
That was fun! So, next namin pinuntahan is the river cruise, guys. Dito sobrang nakaka-amaze yung mga man-made animals nila. And dito mo lang talaga may experience yung, wow, grabe. Napaka-adventurous. So, ayan, kanya-kanyang upo na yung mga kasama ko. And, ewan ko lang mamaya kung maghihiyawan tong mga to or let's see. The adventure starts now. Elephant and another elephant and sea elephant, cherry, go spiders and the mommy readers, crocodiles. These are all man-made, guys. Oh, gorillas and zebras and elephants again. And whoa, what's this? Kakatakot dito. Ay! Pinagbabaril naman tayo. And I think this is the final destination, guys. Oh, here yan. Susunod na tayo. Amazing. Sa wakas. And now we're here in the theater in the wild presenting The Lion King. Make sure talaga, guys, na napanood mo na yung The Lion King movie para makarelate ka dito.
The stars have arrived. Now the show can really start, huh?
Simba became the noble king to Simba.
大家生得又靚，心地又好。
Simba 真係有福氣啊
Oh, I just can't wait to be king.
What time backside? But thick as you are, pay attention now. Hakuna Matata. If I'm hungry, Hakuna Matata.
Never miss the show dito talaga, guys. And sinulit na din namin itong The Wondrous Boat. Super makaka-relate ka kung napanood mo lahat ng Disney princesses and lahat ng movies ng Disney Channel.
I want to cry.
小白，原來你喺度啊！我哋四周圍咁揾你啊
！Anna，佢哋係我最老友嘅新朋友啊！我仲知啊。
Ayan, super enjoy kami and I can really say na this place is really the happiest place on earth. Wow! Grabe! So this is the fireworks display to celebrate life. So, ayun, ginabi kami ng uwi, guys. Talagang sinulit namin yung araw namin dito sa Disneyland. Grabe, Hong Kong Disneyland really is talagang, babalik-balikan ko siya. And, yeah. So, sakay ulit ng Mickey Mouse train. And, thank you for watching, guys. And here's some snaps from our ganaps. Bye!